Ally Bank is going to be another household name when it comes to saving money. If you're looking for a smooth digital banking experience with a competitive high-yield savings account, they currently offer a 3.5% APY. There are no fees or minimum balances, but there is a limit of 10 withdrawals per statement cycle. However, my personal favorite feature here from Ally is going to be their savings buckets. This lets you divide your savings up into up to 30 different customizable categories like emergency fund, vacation, new car, etc., all within the same account. Each one of these buckets is going to earn the same savings rate, and there are no extra fees or minimum balances for using them. So this could be a great way to track and organize multiple savings goals in the same place, and that's really what I like Ally Bank for. In addition, they also have some analysis and visualization tools that can provide insights into your spending and savings habits. So it's not going to be the most competitive rate in terms of their APY, but the features make up for it for a lot of people.